To update an image that is specific for your class, you can click on the Woodlawn logo and you can just click the delete key on your keyboard or right click and go to delete. Then you are going to insert an image. If you have a Bitmoji or something that you would like to use, you can always copy and paste it. You can also go to insert an image, and this is where you can get it from a computer. If you saved an image, you can look through the web if you have one in your drive or a saved photo. So for instance, if I wanted to go ahead and pick something from my drive that I've already saved, I can click on drive and it will show me some images I have here. You can drag it on over and now you will have an image that is specific to your class. Again, you can do a lot of different options here from image. You can search the web, you can have them in your drive from your particular upload from your computer if you've already saved items, and then you can have that specific.